In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini Live Camera. We're going to walk through how to open the app, start the live camera, point it at something you're curious about, and ask a clear question so Gemini can analyze what it sees and give you helpful information. I'll also share practical tips so you get the best results without adding any extra steps beyond what you need. First, open the Gemini app on your device. Make sure you're signed in and on the main screen. From here, look for the camera icon. It usually appears near the message box or along the toolbar. Tap that icon to bring up the camera options. When you see the choices, select Live. If your device asks for permission to use the camera or microphone, allow it so Gemini can see and hear your question in real time. Now, position the object you want information about within the frame. Center it so it fills a good portion of the screen, but leave enough space around it for context. Good lighting makes a big difference. Move to a bright spot or angle the object to avoid glare and harsh shadows. Hold your device steady and, if possible, rest your elbows on a table for stability. If you're showing something with details, like text on a label or a product feature, angle the camera so those details are clearly visible. Avoid capturing private documents, personal IDs, or anything sensitive in the background. Once your object is clearly visible, speak naturally and ask what you want to know. Keep your question specific and concise, so Gemini understands the goal. For example, ask what the object might be, how it's used, or what certain parts are called. Pause for a moment after you finish speaking so the system can process both the image and your voice. If you prefer, you can also type your question while the live camera is on. Gemini will analyze the live view and respond with what it detects, along with relevant information. If the answer isn't quite right, adjust the angle, improve the lighting, or move a little closer for sharper detail, then ask again. You can follow up with more targeted questions to refine the result. Be patient if your connection is slow. Holding the frame steady for an extra second helps a lot. That's it. Open Gemini, tap the camera icon, choose Live, aim at the object, and ask your question. With clear framing, good light, and a specific prompt, you'll get faster, more accurate answers. Give it a try and see how much you can learn in the moment.